is around the corner, so I wanted to share a recipe that is perfect for days when it's too hot to cook. Laab is a dish that is inspired from a restaurant in my home state of Minnesota. Can you guess which one? You can make this with a variation of fish and seafood. It's basically like ceviche, or modern-day goipa. So put away the pots and pans. All we need to do here is prep. Thinly slice lemongrass, galangal, chili pepper, and kaffir lime leaves. If you don't have one or the other, you can totally skip this. I always keep these 4 ingredients in my freezer so that they're always available for cooking. Since this is getting tossed into a salad, you'll want to cut everything up finely. You can also do this in a food processor, but I like to see pieces of fresh herbs and ingredients, so I'm cutting by hand. I like to remove the stem from the kaffir lime leaves because they can be a bit tough to chew through. My mom doesn't even bother with this step. She cuts right through it, so this is really personal preference. Add everything to a bowl and put it off to the side. Next, we're going to peel and chop a 1/4 of a red onion. The great thing about Laab is that you can add more or less of anything that you like or don't like. I'm not big on raw onions, so that's why I'm only adding a 1/4 of it. Next, slice your green onion. I'm only using the green parts in here. Again, I'm not a huge fan of raw onions, so I'll save the tops to use for something else. Slice up the cilantro. I'm using the leaves and stems because I like the combination of textures. Speaking of textures, whenever I can find culantro in the store, I'm always grabbing a pack. Culantro is a bit more robust in flavor. It really is the serrated leaves for me though. You can sprinkle this into any dish to give it an earthy herbal crunch. Mint leaves can be torn off the stem and used whole, or you can chop them up. I'm just going to use them whole because I've done a lot of prep this morning and don't feel like chopping anymore. So a quick overview of all of the herbs. We have our lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and chili pepper. Then we have our red onion, cilantro, culantro, green onion, and mint. Laab is typically served with fresh vegetables. I'm using radishes, cucumber, and butter lettuce. You can use long beans, eggplants, other leafy greens, or fresh herbs. For the fish and seafood, I'm using cooked octopus, sushi-grade tuna, salmon belly, and yellowtail. To bring the salad together, add the mixture of herbs, season with toasted rice powder, add ground chilies, red onion, and lime juice. The citrus will slightly cook the fish. Add the cilantro, green onion, mint leaves, and culantro, and mix to combine. I'm using a spatula for this, but you can also use your hands or put on a glove and mix that way. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, add the fish sauce. Mix again, and then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Optional to add tobiko, which is flying fish roe. This comes in a variety of colors. I'm using orange and red. I'm not adding this for flavor as much as I am for texture. I love how it pops in your mouth, and it adds a little bit more color to the dish. To serve, line a plate with your favorite leafy greens. Add the Laab. This is best served immediately, but if you have any leftovers or making it ahead of time, make sure you keep it chilled. Garnish with cucumber, radishes, lime, fresh chili peppers, and extra tobiko. Serve and enjoy.